Hey, what's up guys? So on this one we're going to receive some BNB from TrustWallet into our Binance, right? So I'm using Binance Lite, which you can use on your phone. It's very easy to use. All you have to do, you just go onto your Google, and then you can just go straight to the description where you can find the link to Binance. You can just install that, or you can just go into your Apple Store or your Android, and on you can just here, I'm sure you know where you can actually get those from, and then you just download it right there. Just to save you the hassle to download the wrong one, go straight to the description. You will save more on the transaction fee, which you'll get about 10% on Binance if you actually use my link. So without further ado, let's go straight onto Binance, which is this one here. So we're gonna go and find out how much we can actually receive our BNB, and then so this is our BNB here. So we're going to have this one, so that's the price of BNB. So we're going to look onto this one. So we're going to come here in between. So we'll come here onto this yellow button in between here down, then we're gonna click onto it. There is a deposit here, so we're gonna see onto that crypto, say BNB. So this is the receiving address which we're going to have, which we will have to copy and paste it on the other side. So we're going to copy this, which I might just remove all of this. Okay, so we're gonna go straight onto TrustWallet. This is our BNB. So we're going to send this BNB on the other side. So there's a send here. So we're gonna put the address here. And then I'm gonna put on to max all out. Sending funds with a memo or destination tag, leave it blank if not required. Okay, so we're gonna go and look for the tag, which is this one. So we click it, paste this one here. Okay, so click on to continue on top here. So this is about 2 cents, which we're going to be, and then we hit on send. So that's it guys. This is actually how you actually send your BNB from TrustWallet into Binance. I hope these guys helps you a lot, and make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.